What's up, guys? I want to tell you something as you walk home. Something that I learned was actually very, very important and has actually helped me 10x my business. And it comes, especially when it comes to reoccurring purchases, pretty much scaling your business by ensuring that people buy more from you or buy repeatedly from you or even just refer more to you. And now this is a great video for people that might have like a software company, a consulting company, or maybe they're doing e-commerce, or maybe they do some sort of drop shipping, or even Amazon FBA. What I've learned, let me use this example with my own software company, okay? We have this powerful CRM that automates the back end of people's businesses, develop funnels, and we use AI. What I've learned when I first started this, all I was trying to do was trying to get some quick buys. I was running some Facebook ads, and every single time I would spend like $50, I would make like $100 profit off of it. And I was like, oh, that's awesome. But I realized that even after a while, Facebook ads, they take me down a whole bunch of times, and I can't solely just rely on one advertising platform to make me all my money. Because if one goes down, what am I going to do? Go out of business? What the F? Call bankruptcy? Fuck that. First thing is that you need to be able to attract clients not only from one platform, which is so vital is what I learned. You need to make sure that you're getting clients from all social media platforms, which is why spreading out content and content distribution is so important, guys. One of the first things, even before you run any sort of paid ads when it comes to your business, is that you should develop a system that you can just put content, you can record some content and have it automatically distributed among all your social media platforms, talking Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Right now, I get a whole bunch of people from mainly 3 different sources: Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Those 3 different sources, I get a majority of my customers. But right now, we're implementing systems so that we can put content on TikTok, put content on LinkedIn, in hopes generate more sales from there. But that's not really what I wanted to go into. The most important thing that I really wanted to go into this video, not only just making sure you have content distributed, making sure you bring in clients from plenty of other platforms, making sure you got SEO, blogs, things like that, Google My Business. That's how I want to get out of here. What I really want to get out of this video is that one thing that has transformed my business is coming to the realization that instead of just trying to sell products repeatedly or trying to get a bunch of testimonials or anything like that, what I learned that really just allows me to scale my business 10x it is building a community, building some sort of tribe, building some sort of Discord, a community, or where people can just post success, where people can talk to other people, where people can network with other people, all in the hopes of just driving engagement. The more people see success stories in the community, the more they're going to want to buy from you. When I started implementing systems to build up communities, when I started implementing systems to grow this community, I've noticed that I wasn't running any paid ads, I wasn't really putting any videos, but I was still getting sales because I wasn't necessarily doing the selling, but my community was. People in my community were talking about how great my software was, that it was forcing other people to sell my software for me. It was almost as if I had 100 affiliates just doing the work for me. Obviously you can 10x this by giving some sort of referral bonuses, obviously, but really what helped me scale my business, and I learned this system from my mentors. My mentor has always told me that millionaires, become millionaires by doing something really well. But billionaires become billionaires by making other millionaires. So what I learned from my mentor, is that in order to really just grow something to the moon, you need to have a tribe. You need to have a community. You need to have a group of people that love your shit, that's always talking about your shit, always raving about your shit, so that they do the selling for you. Find a couple of people, make them ultra successful. Show them what everything you got. Give them the gold. And have those people build your community, so that my girlfriend can point the camera at me and not just scratch her face or her leg. But what I'm trying to say before we got distracted is make sure that your community does the selling for you. Really instruct a couple of people in your tribe how to really become successful. Make them role models and have those people grow the group for you. Building a community that just sells itself passively is honestly going to 10x or even 100x whatever business that you have. And it works on every single niche. I'll talk to y'all guys later. All right, keep it alpha. Peace out.